Hello, Trailblazers. Salesforce is one of the leading CRM cloud-based software, and Dotsquares is a certified Crest partner of Salesforce. This journey includes the completion of a variety of milestones. We have completed 250-plus projects with 100-plus certified experts. Also, we are serving around the globe and have 200-plus happy clientele. Dotsquares brings delightful solutions for your business every time. Our team of specialists have extensive knowledge in sales, service, marketing, experience cloud, health cloud, commerce cloud, and so on. Our experts have answers for all your queries. The solutions are unique in every frame and our customers enjoy every interaction. Talk with our experts for consultation, implementation, optimal workflow setup, custom app development, and ongoing support. Get in touch with our Salesforce professionals for a unique experience.